My more important analysis videos with me, Rich Paramarket Analyst at Hantec Markets on Wednesday, 20th of December. Let's look at cable, which rallied a bit yesterday, but not really decisively. It actually picked up off the low at 33.30, so there is a slight sort of trend of higher lows in the last few days. But also equally, you could say there's also a trend of lower highs. So there is still a consolidation element to this chart. RSI, MACD lines, and stochastics sort of flattening off, very neutral, and reflecting really that the market is sort of holding up above 33 figure support, but also has this sort of downtrend element to it as well. So basically a consolidation and a squeezed consolidation that seems to be sort of edging ever closer towards the apex and the of this sort of triangle, I suppose you could argue. But also the fact that the market is sort of consolidating broadly around sort of key support area set of 33 figure and above that. So you're not really seeing too much direction on cable really, and until you sort of start to see a move, I suppose, above 34.60, which is last week's high, or below 33 figure, you're not really seeing too much in terms of direction, I don't think. Yeah, I think it's basically consolidating this market, and you can see that on the hourly chart, whereby you're sort of seeing this sort of convergence, really, as I just suggested, really, and you've got the moving averages which are flattening off, very neutral on a near-term basis on the hourly. Momentum indicators, little real direction. Momentum on the MACD lines and RSI, sort of between sort of 35 to 65 on the RSI. In the last couple of days, again that lacks direction, as do the MACD lines, which are very sort of much hovering around neutral. So initial support, as I said, 33.30 of yesterday's low, 34.20 which is Monday's high. But yeah, little real in terms of direction. So I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you later.